Hello everybody, this is Mr. Shepherd making another video. Please hit that like, subscribe, and note so you can have in the bell for the notifications. And I'm going to show you what I'm using right now as a service truck, and I do not do any edit or anything because I don't know how yet, and you'll get to see what I work out of. So here we go, we'll go out and show you. This is what I work out of. Yes, we are accredited by Better Business Bureau. It's a 2001 Chevy Suburban. In pretty rough shape. But it's all I have for now. There's some containers with fuses, heat shrink, paper. The black case is my tablet. Another light. That window's barely being held up by a piece of board. But that switch with the white, with the red button, that turns on the strobes on the top that I run. Onto the back. Unlock. As you can see, I got mixture of wrenches and everything in there. And some sockets. My jump box. Diesel handheld. It's actually Lyle's the main brand holder, but Diesel Laptops rebranded it. Bolts, my chain, car pulleys. I got snap-on wrenches, metric and standard in there. Tarp for when I'm laying, coveralls, empty jugs I just haven't took out from where I did a job where a semi lost all their coolant. Drain pans, gas can if I need gas, brake line kit. Got tools everywhere. There's another scan tool, my voltmeter, goggles. I got more tools in other places, but this is what I carry on me. My grease gun. Stickers on the back. Yeah, I gotta open it a weird way. My jack, Milwaukee tools, bag, another jack. Got the flex grinder, works pretty good. Canvas for when I'm out in the weather. Big wrenches, rags, jumper cables, extension cord, slide hammer kit, sockets. Just show you a little bit more. It gets me through. It made me all through the summer and spring. The store's broke, it won't open. It's got about 300,000 miles on it. And that's pretty much all I have to show for right now of the tour of the truck. Sorry, I didn't have nothing put together. And if I said the Diesel Laptops handheld wrong, it's a launch, rebranded. So as I ask please subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you can be notified anytime I put more up. And please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.